How to close rooms from housekeeping module. Under the closed room list, we may use the filters in the upper part of the list to display the closed room related one. These are further grouped under two tabs, actual or current and past ones. With the plus button, new blank record will be added. The warning sign will be displayed in case there is an in-house guest in the related room on the defined date. Once the room number is selected, system automatically displays the related room type. Start and end of the closing period should be selected, and we can select on one of the following states: closed, maintenance, or reserved. We should select one of the reason codes defined in the settings. These should be entered under Setup and Room Close reasons found under Reservation and Price Detail definitions. From this list, we define the reason code, name, and status to which this room will automatically turn after the duration of the close period has expired. While it is not obligatory to enter the closing reason from these fields, it is mandatory to manually enter the reason for closing in the description part. After saving this record, we will find this record added to the Actual or Current tab. After the ending date of the closing period comes, this room will be automatically in the status we defined and placed under the Past tab. In case we wish to reopen the room before the end of the closing period, we should select the desired record and remove it from Closed Room list. If the record was mistakenly entered in this list, it can be removed by clicking on the garbage bin icon. There is also a possibility to close multiple rooms at once by using the Bulk Close Room option on the Action menu. In this window, we can select between the desired room number range, start and end date, state for this room, as well as enter the explanation. Besides using this list, rooms can also be closed from the room rack screen. If we want to change the status into maintenance, touched, or closed, the same room close operation screen will be displayed. Again, by defining date range, reason, and description, we can perform the room close operation. In case we wish to change the status of the current room into confirmed and clean one before the defined end closing date, it will not be sufficient just to change the room status under the room rack screen. First, this room should be removed from the closed room list by following the previously explained procedure. As a final note, we should mention that the closed room will be decreased from the overall availability.